Hi everyone, I'm Ru, co-founder and head consultant at Neferi Natural Hair Care, and today I will be teaching you how to do a 2-strand twist. You will need water in a spray bottle, something to part your hair with, a detangling tool, so detangle brushes or white tooth comb or your fingers, clamps or hair ties if you do not have clamps, an oil or butter or both, any sealant of your choice really. And yeah, I guess we can get started. You start with the mid parting so you can see just what you're working with. You pick a portion of hair depending on the length of your hair and the density as well. You can use, if you're going for like a proper style, you would use the parting tool, but I'm just protecting my style for at home because we're in a lockdown. So this is the section I work with the midsection of my hair because I had a mohawk. Now I'm growing my sides out. So currently I have a Humectant cream in my hair, and so I will not be applying any creams or oils to my hair. All I will be applying is water. However, if you've just come with freshly cleaned hair, you will need to apply water, then cream, then oil if your hair is extremely dense, or water and oil if your hair is not too dense. Okay, so water, and need a little more water. Focus on the ends, work through them, make sure there's no knots, otherwise your twist will not hold. So I like to use warm water because, as you can see, some of it is dripping on my face and I love myself, so I try to keep that water warm. Okay, then you add your oil. Oil. If your hair is young or delicate, if your hair is a bit denser, you add cream and then oil. Okay, moisture good. Lay your roots however you want your hair to fall. Okay, and then find a mid parting. Okay, and 1 into the 3, thumb and index hold, into the 3, thumb and index hold. Seeing that? There is no extra twisting going on. It's not too tight at the base or in the twist itself. We're being very delicate. Knot check. Nothing, good to go. Once you have practice with this, you'll simply just check the knots with your thumb as you're twisting it. Just check the knots with your thumb, check the knots. But as you practice, just make sure you just pause and you just properly check that there's no knots. We're getting to the end, keeping the energy. Going to the end. Okay. Still going. Still going. Still going. Still going. Okay. Now I am at the end. A little bit left. Just hold it and I let the twist just go. And there. Another juicy twist. Okay, I'm going to do the rest of my hair. And this one's on the way. So, just to make this easy for me, I'm going to tuck these in for now. Just so I don't have them waving in my face. Okay.